What's going on, everybody? We're back working on the Cummins Jeep with 1 tons. Working on the front axle today. We got the rear, as you saw in the last video, all prepped up, ready to go, pretty much. Just got to RTV the gasket, which we'll do today because I found my black RTV. I cleaned the shop. I cleaned my area. So we're gonna black RTV that on. I don't know if we should use black though. I kind of want to get some gray. I don't know, we'll see. But we're gonna go and start on the 6.7 Ford 05 Plus front Dana 60 and see if we can get it, start tearing it apart. So my buddy Jonathan at Richard's Automotive Workshop, he did this for one of his project trucks, and he told me, get ready, this is a pain in the ass. This fucking axle is so AIDS to cut off all the shit. I'll be using plasma cutters, sanding discs, grinding discs, cut off wheels, fucking sawzalls, everything to try to get all this crap off. So we gotta get these mounts off. We gotta unbolt these. We gotta get the radius arm mounts off, which, you know, that's gonna be a bitch. Gotta get the track bar mount off. Gotta get this radius arm mount off, which is connected to the cast pumpkin. Gotta get this shock mount off. Sway bar in links also mount on the shock mounts on the front. And then I'm not gonna cut back the tube quite yet because I want to get my kit in first, so we're gonna hold off on that. But yeah, we got a lot of fucking work to do, so might as well go ahead and start the time lapse and get to work. Sorry about all the time lapses, but I know you don't want to watch this shit in real time. Just that rear axle has been about 4 hours of work just getting it stripped. So the front axle, it took Jay 3 days. I don't think we're gonna be finishing today. We will see. If we gotta call it good, we gotta call it good. A little update on the 12 valve that's actually gonna be going in the Jeep. So it's almost ready to be sandblasted. I've got everything kind of taped up nice. This is a Denso tape. It's wax rope tape. It's pretty cool. I'm not worried about this. I'm getting new valve cover gaskets, so I'm not worried about that. Getting a new water pump, I'm not worried about that. I need to tape up the front main, and I need to tape up the rear main. I got to put the injection lines back on, and I got to get a fuel pump. And then once that's done, oh, I also need an oil pan. I have the pan gasket, but I need an oil pan. I got a hole in mine. Once that's done, then this will be ready to sandblast and paint. I can't wait to get my GoPro covered in fucking paint. But I think I've told you guys, but the plan is to do everything black, and then I'm gonna do the valve covers white. I'm gonna keep this black, but I'm gonna try to raise letter. Probably gonna polish it, but I really want to make the raised letters white. I don't know how I'm gonna do that though. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna try to powder coat the injection lines. Try to get my buddy to powder coat the injection lines white. That way there's a little bit of white on the black. Just like the Jeep's gonna be a little bit of black on the white. So yeah, the Jeep's been running okay. It still has a coolant leak from the water pump. You know, I have the water pump, just don't feel like doing it because we got all this other shit to do, and it's coming out anyway, so it's kind of pointless. But yeah, when this engine and transmission go up for sale, I'll have a water pump on it, have it all good to go. But yeah, it's been going good, so that's all you can hope for. So yeah, let's get to work. No more jibber jabbering, as Taylor Ray says. Let's get back to work. If I could say just one thing to Ford, oh shit, I got grinding. Oh, I ground on my lens. No, that sucks. Well, if I got one thing to say to Ford, It is. Fuck you. Oh my god, you got so much shit. Why double layer the fucking shock mount with the... I haven't even started this side, and I'm already losing my mind. This fucking axle's a lot heavier too than the 14 bolt. You know, because all the steering shit, but yeah. I'm just, you know, getting it flat as I go. Fuck. Still got a lot to go. So, I've been here for, let's see, it's 7 o'clock. I've been here since about 4:30. Yeah, 2.5 hours, so yeah. Whew. Fuck it, keep going. You go, keep going. I'm gonna go get some food though. I need some fucking food. All right, everybody. I got one side pretty much roughed out today. All the mounts are off. We definitely still have the other side to take care of. I gotta cut this webbing out and take the radius arm bracket off and get this shock and sway bar and link mount off. Definitely a process with this Ford X. Oh my god, I fucked this lens up, didn't I? I sure the fuck did. Oh my god. Oh fuck me. This lens is so fucked now. Oh fuck me. Well, y'all might have to be stuck with the weirdness going on. I fucked the lens up. But definitely a process on this Ford axle compared to the 14 bolt. Everything is so much tighter. I went through a lot more materials trying to get shit off. Plasma cutter can only do so much versus doing most of it on the 14 bolt. The radius arm bracket wasn't really that hard to get off, honestly. You see what I did? I kind of just traced it around the axle and then split it in half. Friday's video, we're gonna be back on this thing, getting the other side taken care of. This is a process. This is a motherfucking process. But hopefully next week we'll be working on the 12 valve while I'm waiting for the truss kits to come in so I can go weld them out. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all you guys that sit here and support me, doing what I can do. I love you guys, straight up. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all Friday. Later.